That's what I like to see. Good old-fashioned fun. Just get outside, put the phones down. That's awesome.
Yeah, and if you're up north dealing with that weather, you got to make the best of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. And what better way than to play a little hockey, I guess. And obviously here in Southwest Florida, we wouldn't be playing ice hockey unless you're in one of our rinks. Of course, you might be playing some field hockey or whatever it is. But if you do plan on heading out this morning, it's a gorgeous day. It's just a lot cooler than normal. Some of the coolest weather that we've experienced in more than 2 weeks. So if you need to put on a sweatshirt or a light jacket as you head outside this morning, I certainly won't blame you because it's a little bit of a shock to the system after the warm and muggy conditions we've had the last few weeks. But looking over Naples Bay, gorgeous blue sky, only a few clouds in the distance, but it's rather breezy. So boaters, I want you to keep that in mind. Use caution, especially the smaller crafts, because we will have a moderate chop for the inland and bay waterways, and seas in the Gulf will be up to 5 feet because of the northerly winds up to 20 knots. I'm going to show you how the winds are going to be for those of us who are staying on land coming up in just a moment. But I showed you the boating forecast. I also want to show you the grand scheme of things. Here's the NBC2 First Alert Live Doppler radar. And we're sweeping clear. No rain issues that you have to worry about. So if you're heading out to run errands or maybe just enjoying your Saturday, relaxing, the weather is going to cooperate other than being a tad on the breezy side. So here's 10:30 within the next hour to hour and a half. Plenty of sunshine in place, plenty of sunshine through the afternoon, and mainly clear skies will remain through the evening as well. There will be a few clouds that try to move in from the east coast overnight and settling in tomorrow morning, but it's not going to be mostly cloudy. It's just going to be a few more clouds than what we're dealing with this morning. That's it. It's just because of a change in the wind direction. And it's because of a change in the wind direction behind the cold front. One of the reasons why we are just so chilly this morning are going to remain chilly this afternoon. High temperatures today. High temperatures. 72 degrees, Fort Myers, 73 in Immokalee, and only 70 in Punta Gorda. We should be reaching highs up to 78 degrees. The last few days we've been well into the 80s, really last few weeks we've been well into the 80s, and so this is going to be quite a change as you head outside. If you do plan on heading out to the beach, it should still be an overall pretty nice day for that. It's just going to be cooler, and because of the breezy conditions, there will be a risk for ripped currents, so just be aware of that if you do plan on heading into the water. Low 70s for the Lee County Islands, Lee County beaches, and then southern Lee and then into Collier County beaches. A lot of the same low but middle 70s this time. Winds really are going to be the big factor. I feel like a broken record, but I want you to be aware of this as you step outside because through the afternoon, those northerly winds will be up to around 15, even gusting up to around 20 to 25 miles an hour. That continues into the overnight, but remember we talked about the winds changing direction coming out of the east. This is tomorrow morning. Notice winds are not calming down, still up to 20 miles an hour. So it's going to be downright breezy the next few days, and temperatures are going to be a bit cooler. Now tomorrow is going to be a little warmer, all things considered, starting out in the 50s once again, but warming up into the middle to upper 60s. Low 80s by Monday, upper 70s, low 80s will be the theme for the rest of the week. That's your NBC2 First Alert forecast.